Now, I started a few minutes ago, I talked about these 4 alternative things that you can have and be determined to have a concussion in some type of an accident type event. The first is loss of consciousness, and there's never really been any significant controversy that if a person is unconscious, that they can suffer a brain injury. The second is an alteration of mental state. Now, that's one of the main areas that the definition has changed over time, because not all loss of consciousness is being asleep. It is just not being responsive. It is having that seeing stars type of phenomenon. It could be any type of alteration of consciousness. And even the most conservative defense neurologists that I've deposed and had in courtrooms of late are now at least acknowledging that the term loss of consciousness includes alteration of consciousness or change in mental state. Now, the third one is the one that we're going to talk the most about, which is amnesia. Amnesia is loss of memory for events either before or after the accident. And the fourth one is focal neurological deficits. Now, this is the one that I have some long-range hope may actually become more significant if we can do the right type of triage, the right type of work with people with concussion. But it is not the one that we're probably going to speak a whole lot about in this session, because that involves a significant change in the way the neurologists and the emergency room doctors actually test people when they come in after a concussion, and that's a little bit more complicated to implement.